guys, this is Maria and welcome to my channel. In today's video, you are going to discover how to use the Fibonacci Retracement tool in MetaTrader. Plus, I will show you an amazing tool that will help you stop losing in Forex and that it could cut in half your learning curve. But before I begin, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload new videos. This is the first video of a series of 3 about Fibonacci and how to use it. Fibonacci is a trading tool used by many Forex traders and it comes by default in all Forex platforms, so it is completely free. If you haven't opened a Forex account, you can open one by entering the second link in the description below. Now, let's begin by setting up the correct Fibonacci levels using the following steps. 1. Open your MetaTrader trading platform provided by your broker. 2. From the top menu, select Insert Objects, Fibonacci, and this will show the following Fibonacci indicators: Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci time zones, Fibonacci fan, Fibonacci arcs, Fibonacci channel, and Fibonacci extension. The Fibonacci retracement tool is used to plot both Fibonacci retracement levels and Fibonacci extension levels. After selecting Fibonacci retracement, your cursor will change from an arrow to a plus sign, with some small horizontal lines beneath it. After you click on the chart, then you will find a box pop up which allows you to customize your Fibonacci levels as shown here. The level column is the Fibonacci radio derived from the Fibonacci sequence. The description is how it translates into a Fibonacci level for trading. While there are different Fibonacci radios, the most commonly used are these ones right here. Now, let's look at how to plot Fibonacci levels onto your chart and what they actually mean. So, let's learn how to draw Fibonacci retracement levels in an uptrend. The first thing you need to do is to find the X point and the A point, which one big cycle or wave higher. The X point is the lowest price and the A point is the highest price. Then you have to select the Fibonacci retracement tool from the top menu by pressing Insert, Objects, Fibonacci, and finally selecting Fibonacci retracement. 3. Left click and hold down at the bottom of the cycle X. While holding the mouse bottom down, drag the line to the top of the cycle A. The Fibonacci indicator will automatically draw the Fibonacci retracement levels on it, as shown here. In the price chart, the Fibonacci levels are plotted as horizontal lines with the Fibonacci descriptions written on the right side of the chart. You may have noticed that the X level is plotted as 100 and the A level is plotted as 0. This is because if the price retraces from point A all the way back to point X, it will have retraced 100%. This also means that when price retraces to the 38.2 level, for example, it means that price has retraced 38.2% of the X to A move. In an uptrend, These Fibonacci levels provide areas of support where the market could bounce higher and continue the trend up. In this example, price did indeed find support at the 38.2% Fibonacci level. Traders will then look at other technical analysis tools such as price action patterns to find more clues on whether price could bounce at this level. Now, let's take a look at how to draw Fibonacci retracement levels in a downtrend. The first thing you need to do is to find the X to A cycle, which is one big cycle or wave lower, where X is the highest point and A is the lowest point. Then select the Fibonacci retracement tool from the top menu by pressing Insert, Objects, Fibonacci, and finally selecting Fibonacci retracement. 3. Left-click and hold down at the top of the cycle X, while holding the mouse bottom down, drag the line to the bottom of the cycle A. The Fibonacci indicator will automatically draw the Fibonacci retracement levels on, as shown here. In the price chart, the Fibonacci levels are plotted as horizontal lines, with the Fibonacci descriptions written on the right side of the chart. You may have noticed that the X level is plotted as 100 and the A level is plotted as 0. This is because if the price retraced from point A all the way back to point X, it will be a 100% retracement. In a downtrend, these Fibonacci levels provide areas of resistance where the market could correct lower and continue the trend down. In this example, price did indeed find resistance at the 38.2% Fibonacci level and then correct lower. Typically, traders will look at other technical tools to further confirm the possibility of a correction lower. This will be evident in the next section as we go through a Fibonacci trading strategy. So, make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification so you don't miss the video number 2 and video number 3 about the Fibonacci series. How to use a Fibonacci trading strategy. So far, you have learned that in an uptrend, Fibonacci retracement levels can act as support level where price may bounce and continue moving higher. Conversely, in a downtrend, Fibonacci retracement levels can act as a resistance level where price may bounce and correct lower. You have also learned how to plot these levels using the Fibonacci indicator in the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, as well as how to use Fibonacci extension levels. Both Fibonacci retracement levels and Fibonacci extension levels are used by a wide variety of traders covering different trading styles such as long-term trading, day trading, and swing trading. The levels are also used across different markets such as Forex, as well as on stocks, indices, and commodities. In my next video, I will show you a Fibonacci strategy for an uptrend market. So make sure to subscribe and press the bell notification so you don't miss out in this amazing free Forex strategy. Now, let's talk a little bit more about the amazing tool that I told you at the beginning that will help you stop losing in Forex and it will cut in half your learning curve. I am talking about Fibo Quantum. Fibo Quantum It's an amazing Forex indicator that will send you buy and sell signals for all pairs, and that it works in the time frames of 15 and 30 minutes, 1 hour and 4 hours, and in the daily graph. You can start using this Fibo Quantum by following just 4 simple steps. Step 1. Fibo Quantum will draw all levels on the chart. It will provide you with a buy or sell signal, 3 take profits, and 1 stop loss. Step 2. Once the price hits the entry level, you open the trade and set the stop loss. Step 3. Then select any of the 3 take profit levels. If you are a complete beginner, your best choice is to select take profit number 1. And step 4, price hits the take profit level and you open the next trade once the price reaches a new buy or sell entry price. As I told you before, Fibo Quantum is not an EA or robot, but a Forex trend indicator that works on all pairs and in the time frames of 15 and 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, and in the daily graph. You will receive this pop-up alert with sound in your MetaTrader 4 platform, and it will show you the pair you should trade, the time frame, the signal if it's a buy or a sell, the entry level, the take profit 1, take profit 2, and take profit 3, and the stop loss. This information can also be sent to your mobile or to your email. As you can see, you receive all the information you need to open easily a Forex position. As you can see, Fibo Quantum is very easy to use. It doesn't matter your level of experience. You can use it even if you are a complete beginner. All you have to do is to read carefully the user's guide, that it will provide all the tips and information you need to make this indicator as profitable as it can be. So, if you want to learn more about Fibo Quantum, all you have to do is enter the first link in the description. And remember, this is the first video of a series of 3 about Fibonacci. I hope this video helped you start trading, and for more information about Fibo Quantum, please enter the first link in the description. If you want to open a Forex account, please press the description number 2, and we'll see you soon. Until next time, bye-bye.